Believe it or not, this is a jig fitted front end on this car. Whose front end it is, I don't know. But this is the reason we do not glue our inner fenders in, front, rear, or any of it. New core support. We're installing a new core support. And so we got the bottom hole, the top hole, and the top hole on the driver's side to go in. The bottom hole on the driver's side, can you see that? Where you can't see the hole? That's how far off we are. You see that inner fender stressing? Okay. That is why we do not glue them in. It's pretty easy to glue them in. It's not like it's a hard job. When you're putting the front end on, if you look at the video we've already done with our one piece, it applies the same to the jig fitted front ends. Where we bond the back of the call section of the front clip is the first thing that we do. And then we work our way forward with fitting the hood. Fitting the hood with the inner fenders in place and getting the inner fenders to fit perfect and to get the hood to fit perfect before you glue it, okay? If we glue the inner fenders in here, and we all know these cars are different, and then you get the front end to go put it on your car and you're off a 1/4 of an inch on one of your bolt holes, you're gonna be calling me up and asking me why. And this is why we don't glue them in, because it's pretty simple to do, okay? You look at the video, you're gonna have this bolted in, everything's going to be positioned right, and you get up in here with our baggie, with our epoxy in it, squirted into place. Pretty simple to do. So you're not cutting corners. It's that thing of cutting corners, you know. Everybody wants to cut corners. Sure, we could force that in there. Sure, we could oblong it, but do it right the first time. Take your time. Don't let time or money stop you from doing it right. Thanks for watching.